Hello! Let's talk about the habit tracking feature of Obsibrain. So everything is really simple for that one. You can open your daily and you will see that you have a habits section which is currently empty. In order to add an habit, you just have to click on the command palette, Command P, and add a new task. The habits are the same as task. You will want to actually toggle it off and on like a task. So in order to create an habit, new task, and you will be prompted to choose between a normal task, a repeating task, and an habit. For this one, we will go for habit, of course. And let's say I have a workout session, and inside, go back to the gym project, and let's say every day, like this, when today is the task due, and we will start today. So if I do this, I will have a new task which will act like an habit. If we scroll down, we have this huge habit tracking system, grid, I mean. And obviously, if I hover over any box, I see the date and the day. So I can easily track which day I went to the gym. And if I press this one, I complete the task, and boom, this goes. So we are Tuesday, and this task has been marked as done. Obviously, if I go on the second day, January 22, I mark it as done. We will have the box green, and if I go on this page, I can also skip that task. So let's say I haven't made it, so I didn't complete my habit. I can skip for this occurrence, so I can click this skip button. It will skip this one, and if I go to the 24 and complete it, it will leave a box empty because I skipped that habit, that occurrence. Now let's take a more complex example to show you something, because sometimes you have to manually change things if you maybe don't want to display this in a daily grid. Maybe you want it to display on a weekly or monthly grid. So let's take this example. I will add a new habit. We will keep it in the sport section. So let's say abs session, and go back to the gym, and let's say every week on Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. I press OK, today, and now the task is due for today, obviously. But as you can see, the habit section is displayed over a weekly grid because we specified every week on Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. So the system automatically tagged this task, this habit, as a weekly habit frequency. So obviously you can edit that one. So I hope this will be shown on the recording because the opacity is really low, but I can change it to daily or monthly. So if I do monthly, for example, I go back to my daily. Yep, we will have a monthly view. What we want is actually a daily view. So let's change that, and you can say daily. A new way, other way to actually change this is to go to the task and click edit, and you will have the habit frequency just there. So you can just click and edit that one, apply, and it will be saved. But let's get back to this one. So now we have a daily view, and if I mark this task, okay, and obviously if I go and I get my app session, and I go bam, I change app session and app session. And if I go back to my daily, I should see something interesting is, yep, we have the app session working fine. So now I will be able to track when did I completed my app session. So it's working fine. And I think I covered what I wanted to say to you about the habits. Don't forget that the habits can be found under the new task, and hopefully this system will help you achieve more in life and keep track of your good habits. See you in the next tutorial.